Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing you my pregnant belly skin routine. This is what I do about once a week to remove unwanted hair, exfoliate and moisturize my skin to prevent stretch marks and just have overall really healthy skin. So this is my belly right now. I am currently 30 weeks and 5 days pregnant, so almost 31 weeks. And I haven't got any stretch marks yet, which I am quite happy of. Obviously, I am very, very happy to get stretch marks, but if I can prevent them, then that's great. So the first step that I go in with is my DIY coffee scrub. And this is a mixture of coffee, sugar, honey, and oil. Now you can use any of those of your choice and any amounts, and you can put anything in it that you want. The coffee and the sugar gently exfoliate, while the honey and the oil nourish my skin. I make sure to rub my belly very gently because I don't want to damage the skin, but I do want to gently remove unwanted dead skin before I shave. I find if I miss this step and just go straight to shaving, I end up getting little pimples on my belly. I love how my belly looks with all the oil on. It looks shiny and it looks healthy. But now I'm just going to go in with a washcloth and just rinse this off. I usually do this routine in the shower, so it is a lot easier, but for the sake of this video, I am doing it at my bathroom sink. And now I'm going to go in and shave, so I'm going in with my Venus shaving cream, and I'm just going to put a thin layer all over my belly. And then I'm going to go in with my Gillette men's razor. I always use a men's razor all over my body because I find that it gives me a much closer shave. Now this step is completely up to you whether you want to do it or not, but I have found that my pregnancy has made me a lot hairier and I do want to remove that unwanted hair. Again, I'm just going to rinse off all of the shaving cream and dry my belly with a towel. And now to go in with the creams, these are the two that I use. One is the Palmer's Coconut Butter Formula Massage Lotion for Stretch Marks, and the other one is the Burts Bees Mama Bee Nourishing Body Oil. Now, the stretch mark cream is the one that I use when I get out of the shower or after I do this routine, and the oil is the one that I use every night before I go to sleep. So I'm going to rub this cream all over my belly and also up the sides of my back, as well as that skin does stretch. Also, I'm not filming this, but usually I would also put this all over my thighs and the back of my legs and my bum, and also on my boobs because those get bigger and they're going to stretch as well. And that is it for my belly routine. I haven't got any stretch marks so far. Hopefully it stays that way. Like I said, if it doesn't and I get a couple stretch marks, it's not a big deal. I am growing a beautiful, healthy girl, and I couldn't ask for anything more in the world. So if you like this video or you found it useful, then give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And we'll see you in my next video.